sounds to me that because of you had in your mind that true Islam should have this fraternal energy to it.
Yes.
Sort of love. And so you found a community that had that. So does this mean that I can come over to your house then and stay for a couple of days because that's the transformation?
More than well, absolutely, absolutely. That's the brother. That's the thing. That's the beauty of Ramadan. Yes, absolutely, 100%. And you feel when you are among your brothers, like now, you feel like there's some spiritual connection between us. There's some spiritual connection between us, and that kind of a connection you get. It's only you who can feel. Only you can feel. Nobody can tell you.
अच्छा रेडी 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 राय zwei eins